Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Yes, it's still the Christmas season. I hope you are making the best use of this season by spending time with your family and friends. It's so important. There are some times you can never regain, and one of these times is this time spent with our loved ones. Yeah, and please, in the midst of it all, continue to stay safe. Yeah, so in today's video, like I said in my last upload, I'll be doing a dedicated video for Naija Jollof. So this video, I'll be taking you around Naija Jollof just for you to see what they have, like see their menu and everything. Just this video is particularly for Naija Jollof. Yeah, it's that small business that I'll be featuring in today's video. Would I say this is a feature or a dedicated video? And this is not a sponsored video. Yeah, so let's just go right into the video. I visited on a snowy day. Naija Jollof is situated at the university area. It's 280 Leicester Street, Waterloo, here in Kitchener, Waterloo, in the province of Ontario in Canada. Franchise opportunities are available. Naija Jollof, authentic African restaurant showcasing African delicious food to the world, one plate at a time. Wow. That was nice. Sharing African delicious food to the world, one plate at a time, and catering available for all and any occasion. And this is what Naija Jollof looks like inside. This is the nice environment that they occupy, very neat and well spaced out. You can see that you can have a good view of what is happening outside from inside the restaurant. I can imagine what this place will look like during summer. I promise to come around with you again during summer just for us to know what Naija Jollof looks like at that time of the year. You can just look through the window and see what's happening in your environment, and because it's a university area, you are able to see all the activities going on outside while you wait to pick up your food. I particularly like the idea of their menu. They used African countries to name their menu and some Nigerian states. It's so innovative. As you can see, look at the menu. We have Port Harcourt, we have South Africa. A lot of African countries has been used in naming their menu. Because of the situation of things around the world now, what you can only get here is pick up or delivery, no dine in. They also offer catering services, so if you're planning a party here in Kitchener and Ontario generally, just think of Naija Jollof. Now can you see the array of mouth-watering food? They have all food available. They would get to speak in this video as well. Just fill your eyes. I will leave their Instagram handle in the description box of this video. They have other locations in Ontario, so you can just check them out. I'm so hungry. Yeah, it's just the food. Oh, do you want me to show your faces? Are you cool with that? Yeah, it's up to you, because I'll have to post it on my channel. I don't want a copyright strike. I don't want lawsuits like, you did not ask for our permission. If you've watched my last upload, you will know I said the guys here are very friendly. Like, they gave me enough attention. Not because I wanted to do a video. They didn't even know I was going to do a video, but they were so friendly. If you are cool with it, let's go.
Oh, hi guys. So this is Naija Jollof, the Waterloo location. We have everything African.
This your music will give me copyright.
Everything Nigerian food, everything African food.
Can you just mute the music and so?
Spicy, non-spicy, whatever your preference is. Jollof rice, fried rice, egusi, pounded yam, pepper soup, assorted beef. What's that? Suya. Why not? We have like those buka stew that's from Lagos, you know. We're blessing you for everything you want.
And your location too.
Yeah, that is 280 Leicester Street in Waterloo.
Yeah. That's a cool advert. So you know where to get good and correct African dish in Kitchener, Waterloo. Yeah, Naija Jollof. They've told you what they have available. My food is well packed and I'm ready to go. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so I'm back home now and this is what I bought. I bought 2 large portions of the rice. I bought the ofada sauce and I bought the snacks, but sorry, we finished the snacks before I remembered that I need to capture that as well. So the rice was okay for me, though my husband thinks it's a bit dry, and the ofada sauce was just all of what I wanted. Like, I enjoyed it and it was nice. The Naija Jollof guys were very, very friendly and they were so welcoming as well. Not just to me, to everyone that came in while I was there. They were very friendly and so accommodating, like, because I knew so many of us were indecisive on what to buy and they were patient enough to, like, see you make up your mind, and it was a busy time of the day for them as well. If you're in Kitchener Waterloo Golf, they deliver through Skip the Dishes, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and it's halal. There's something about halal in Canada. I really don't know. I think it's something that says they kill the... I don't know what the halal mean. I will check and put it somewhere in this video. So, and this is their contact number. Deliver to your doorstep, or you just pick up. It says come and experience authentic Nigerian jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed taking you around Naija Jollof. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and always come to watch my videos. Please share, like, and do all the good stuff. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.